Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix Indusind Bank application crashing on your Android phone. If you're experiencing issues with your Indus mobile application since it keeps crashing, then here are some troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. So let's get to them one by one. Step 1. Check for app updates. It is crucial to keep your application updated now and then so that your application can perform well and resolve your crashing issue. In order to check for your app updates, open up your Play Store from your Android phone. Now in the search box, type in Indusind Bank application as shown on the screen. Now once you make the search, you will then come across the search result. Simply look for an update button if available on the screen. If you don't see an update button, it means that you are currently using the latest version of Indus mobile application. But if you see an update button, tap on update to get the latest release for the app. Updates often comes up with bug fixes that could resolve crashing issues on your mobile device. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your Android device can resolve app crashing issues. Press and hold the power switch on your Android device. The power switch may differ according to your Android device's model. Simply restart the application the usual way, and once your device restarts, try opening the Indus mobile application and see if that fixes the issue. Step 3. Clearing app cache and data. If the above steps doesn't work for you, then it's time to move on to step 3. Go ahead and open up your settings application from the drawer, and then from the settings menu, scroll down and tap on apps. Now once you open up the application list, go ahead and look for Indusind Bank from the list. Once you find it, tap on it, and this will then open up the app info page. Simply tap on storage from the list and tap on clear cache and clear data at the bottom right and bottom left. Make sure to tap on both of the options in order to restart your Indus mobile application. Now, open the Indus mobile app from your app drawer, and that might be able to help you fix your issue. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if you are not being able to use your Indusind Bank applications since it keeps crashing on your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.